Yo, we are back at it. Yo, I was not gonna do this video right here, but I said, you know what the hell, let's just do it. She deserved to be seen. Yo, if y'all want to watch these videos without my commentary, go ahead and hit that card on the top right that comes in the beginning of the video, or y'all can just wait to the end and search for what you want to search for. And subscribe to Logic on Steroids. Hit like on this video, share this videos. Let's get right into it.
Are you ready?
On July 15th, 2025 at 1 a.m., officers were dispatched to a residence in response to a noise complaint. Upon arrival, they found a neighbor playing music at a blasting volume and refusing to turn it down.
We're outside enjoying our night. We're not disturbing the peace.
You are disturbing the peace. I'm getting neighbors calling on you guys. They're saying you're being too loud. After I told you guys, after I was going to get
like
out.
2 seconds ago. You had to turn around. So they called like 2 seconds and
No,
she rolled
I
up.
didn't. I didn't even hear the call. I parked down the block.
So
I could
you
still
didn't
hear
get
all the way
called.
down there. I did get called the first time.
Well,
do you want OVs for loud music or what?
excuse me, sir.
No. He a rookie.
Hold on, wait.
I see that.
It's
He a
okay.
rookie.
It's okay. I live
Keep
here.
that.
I live here.
Keep it.
I've been living here for
rookie.
It's okay.
Already you can tell that alcohol is involved.
For 3 years.
See,
I've been here for 3
You gotta peep.
years.
OG will let it go through.
I know. I didn't deal with OG.
He a rookie.
It's okay. It's okay.
Let me translate to y'all because y'all probably don't understand what the hell he's saying. He's saying a cop who's been in the force for a couple of years would have allowed this to happen. But since this new cop right here is probably a rookie, he doesn't know what to do. So he's gonna just do his job.
Beautiful, kind sir with the blue eyes and the blonde hair. I've been here for 3 years.
Okay.
You can, and that's my girl right there. Moral of the story.
Most stories turn
You're
it
gonna
down.
be moral of the story. Wait, please don't.
You're fine. You gotta have her lights on. It's a safety
Oh, that's
issue.
not her. You don't have
Okay, y'all
to.
hear that, right? Moral of the story is to just turn it down, not turn it off.
Please.
They don't. This is not where the music's coming from.
It's literally coming from the speaker right here.
It's my speaker, and I live at about 4 apartments on this block, and I can take it here, there, and there, and nobody can do nothing about it because I pay rent, I do what I want, and everybody know what the like. I'm not disrespecting nobody, and it's okay.
Yes, you are. That's why you're getting noise complaints.
It really doesn't have to be a big
You think they're gonna have the balls to come and tell you that themselves?
deal. We just try to
It
have the music
doesn't.
turned down.
I know, but this is not my first rodeo. This is Orchard Block.
Yeah.
For the last like 5 years, it's been more than music being a problem over here. Like
where?
hold on, time out. Like, excuse me.
I'm not here about
Hold
the
on.
history of Orchard.
It's okay.
I already know
It's
about
okay.
it all.
So don't come over here talking to me about music.
Sure.
Hold on, sit
That's
down.
the whole
Excuse me.
problem.
Calm down.
I will.
Excuse me, beautiful, kind
We're not
sir.
having issues with
Excuse
anyone
me.
else but right now.
Excuse me.
All I'm asking is to turn it down.
Excuse me. Y'all been over here. I've been over here for almost 4 years.
Okay.
And music is the least of y'all concern.
I'm well aware.
This whole shit is about attention. Because all the cop asks is for them to turn it down. They can say, all right, we good. They can even lie to the cop and say we're gonna turn it down, just so the cop will leave. But they want attention from that cop or from anybody that's just stepping into the yard. You know what I'm saying? They want to run their mouth and talk. Just send the cop off, make them happy, and do your thing.
Okay, so please do me a favor.
But the concern tonight is you
I
guys.
don't give a flying as long as I'm not fighting, I'm not being disrespectful, I'm not being combative, that's fine. And if
But you're
it's a problem,
disrupting the peace.
time out, because I know it's probably her right here upstairs that called the police. It don't matter. Honestly, I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but it technically don't matter.
What the helly? What the hell? All this ghetto-ness going on here is gonna make me go fucking bonkers!
Please be quiet. It don't matter who called the police on y'all, on me, because I can take this speaker, which is mine, and I can take it to my apartment building. Hold on, wait. And then y'all still gonna get a call, and then I'm still gonna play my music because I still pay rent. It's still my birthday, and I'm not fighting. I'm not shooting. Please shut up. I'm not
Somebody was smart enough to turn it down or turn it off.
shooting. I'm not fighting. I'm not cursing y'all out. I'm not getting into it with my peers. I'm enjoying myself. And the fact that that's a problem is a personal concern. So y'all can get in y'all car, and if y'all get another call, then y'all can do what y'all need from there. But moving forward, I really don't care.
So y'all can have a good night, and if they choose to call y'all back, then we can go from there. And don't just sit around the corner and be like, yeah, y'all music was too loud, so I know it's a problem, sister. Be 100 with me.
I ain't being 100.
It's okay. No, you were being 100 because the people up down there, they called the police because I was saying it's not the first time. It's my birthday weekend.
Turn it down.
Listen.
Y'all lucky I'm not on the speaker because I will have it at my full potential because I pay.
Lady, what is you saying?
I pay more than everybody
She want somebody to see her body or something. Sit your ass
else
down.
on this block to do
Man, sit your dumb ass down.
whatever I feel necessary to. You can't. Okay, Erica, please be quiet. Please be quiet.
Yeah, be quiet. She wants to show for herself.
If they call y'all back, come talk to me.
Hey, I got
Excuse me, don't talk to them. If they call y'all back, come talk to me. If they call y'all back,
For real.
I don't want
I'm trying to tell y'all to shut up. I'm telling you, keep it down.
yes, sir.
Take it inside and keep it low.
There's kids inside. I have 5 kids, so I'm going to have my fun outside. I am a single mother.
She's whipping out the mother card.
Happy Mother's Day!
Of 2 sets of twins and one in the middle.
No shit.
Turn the music down.
So like,
Yes, what I said when I
this,
passed you.
I'm not
this
doing it.
volume for the music, right?
I'm not
there
doing it.
is totally fine.
It's not enough.
It goes louder than this. We're going to have a.
Them
All right,
hands down.
So when
This
it goes,
is fine. No louder than this.
I said what I said.
when it goes louder than that, with them dogs.
Y'all heard him. Just turn the volume up. I think it's that guy right by the speaker who's controlling the music. I'm just assuming, I'm not sure. But he looked like the type that would do some shit like that anyway. The music just went up.
Chasing them kids and shit like that. I wanna know something.
And she's dancing too.
People just come to
Attention seeking.
be down there every day.
It's okay.
Back down.
It's okay. It's okay.
And you can talk your shit.
I listen, y'all.
So when they go down there,
Listen.
down there,
Hold on. Don't listen to them.
Cool. She said,
I'm finna.
This is our culture right here. We loud at the wrong time, and we ain't right. Damn.
Move.
To my apartment, which is like 4 buildings down, and then they're gonna call y'all again. And then, you know, the real, listen, I know.
No, but it's not gonna happen. I've been here for 3 years. It's been worse than this. You know what I'm saying? People done got here, and you know
I'm
that.
well aware, yeah.
I don't people. I'm
not
a
saying
mom.
you do.
Okay, so I can listen to my music and enjoy my peace.
When you're disrupting
I
the
appreciate-
entire block,
I'm
and
not.
I can hear your music down there with my windows
I
rolled
would
down at the
understand
very
if I
end.
was listening to drill music, like
There's nothing to do with kind of
shoot
music.
'em up. Yes, it does matter.
No.
Yeah, it does.
It matters if music is too loud. That's all that matters. That's the
Respectfully.
baseline.
Sir and ma'am, respectfully, you will find out when I go down there, and then they call y'all in like 30 minutes and tell y'all my music too loud down there. Are you writing an OB or not?
I'm going to if they don't turn it down.
Okay. What's OB?
Ordinance violation. We're going to pay the city.
That's fine, but you
Also
also
gotta know who lives here.
They don't want to do that.
So here's the deal. If we want to write you an ordinance violation,
It don't matter. You have to leave and come back for that. Yeah, you have to, because listen, give me just
Are you gonna
understand.
identify yourself?
Wait, understand where I'm
do
coming
not
from.
raise your voice.
Okay, because y'all being disrespectful to
No,
me.
you're drunk and disrespectful, all right?
First of all, I can walk a straight line right now, and I'm on property.
Just chill.
I don't care.
Girl, you are drunk, and you cannot walk a straight line.
I'm at home.
You can't even dance.
Wait, I don't need your help.
We're
I
not
got
trying to
it.
have issues
It's
here, but you're
fine.
making this a lot
It's
more of a bigger
okay.
deal than it needs to be.
Just hear me out, though.
We've been listening to you for like 10 minutes. You haven't said anything pertinent to the situation. situation.
I get what you're saying. You asking me to respectfully turn my music down to respect
That's what
the
we wanted.
community. That's why I get what y'all saying. Y'all think I'm being drunk and disorderly, and I
You are being disorderly.
Listen to me, sir.
So what do you do? Here's the thing.
Okay, wait, I asked you to listen. I didn't listen. I'm
I've
not
been
being
listening.
disrespectful. Okay,
you
but
lived here
I'm
for 4 years. You're a single mother. Got 5 kids in the house. When we pull away, you're gonna take your music and continue to be disrespectful.
But I
down
can
the
do it
block.
right here.
No, you can't.
But I can't.
You can, and then you're gonna get OV.
But do you know who I am to get an OV?
If you don't identify yourself,
You gonna take me to jail?
yeah.
You can't.
She loves talking to us. She like attention.
Come over here. We can rap loud. I'm my kid.
And all of y'all are new. I'm gonna tell y'all right now today, neither one of you have
They're
ever
making
been
this a bigger
on.
deal than it needs to be.
Excuse me,
Well,
beautiful.
dude's being pretty chill with us.
Turn that down. Pause it for 2 seconds.
We gonna
Pause
rap
it.
in silence.
Y'all, please just be
gonna
quiet.
She need a cell phone.
Just pause the music.
It's not.
No music, we gonna rap.
Okay, I'm gonna say this. Ooh, I'm stepping in mud because y'all got me f***ed up. E, please be quiet. Just hear me out. Excuse me, were you for Ashley and Rob?
Yeah, I dealt with them.
Okay,
I
that's
dealt
what I'm
with
saying.
them.
I know. Were you knocking on my door at 8 o'clock in the morning, the next door neighbors? No.
We work night shift. We don't work.
Okay, I'm here all the time. I work 8 to 5. I
Okay,
sleep.
is this relevant to what's going on?
Yes, I'm telling you why. Wait, just give me a second.
All right.
How's that? Just shut up. Just give me a second.
Shut up.
Hey, here's what we're.
All that Kamala Walla. Talk about nothing.
gonna do.
It matters. I don't
here's what we're gonna
care.
do. I'm
I
gonna
don't
leave.
care.
I'm going to
I know.
leave.
And then you're gonna park around the corner, and if you feel like
fall out.
shut up, and then you feel like my music is too loud, and then you're gonna park around the corner, and then you're gonna come back because you didn't have a phone call, and then you're gonna
Doesn't
say,
matter if I have a phone
I
call or
heard
not.
your music around the corner and it was too loud because you picking with me.
I'm
But
not
in all
picking with you.
reality, it's people out here stealing and robbing,
Okay.
and you worried about music.
My turn now.
I don't.
My turn
I
now.
kind of don't care.
I don't care either.
You
what
kind of
you're
work for me,
saying. No, I do not.
so you're not a public servant.
Oh my goodness. Okay, first of all,
It's okay.
I don't need a phone call.
It's okay.
If I
Cop, good luck trying to get through her and talk to her. She ain't trying to listen. They don't listen.
put her on the
It's
corner,
It's
I can sit and
okay.
hear the music.
It's okay.
Keep
I
going.
technically don't give a.
Okay. Go ahead and play that here.
It's an unfair game.
Are you gonna identify yourself?
You taking me to jail?
Are you going to identify
Are you gonna identify
yourself?
yourself?
Time out.
You either tell us your name or you're going to be arrested. It's
All right. If you ask them, are they taking you to jail? And they didn't say yes, they're asking you for something else first. And you don't want to go to jail. What do you do?
that simple.
Okay, give me a reason.
Because we need to issue an ordinance violation. And
But
you're not
that was.
listening.
Wait, time out.
No, we're not having this.
Wait.
We're not doing it. Hands behind your back now.
You're not taking me to jail for nothing.
Jesus Christ.
Let me tell you something. You are not going to do that.
Look
at her. With her bitch ass.
Put your ring behind your back.
Hands behind your back.
Come on, grab your phone. Where y'all phones at? Where y'all phones?
I'm fighting. I'm fighting.
If your phone was connected to the damn Bluetooth, you would have been able to record.
I'm fighting. I'm fighting. Oh no. Am I fighting?
Go grab it.
Am I fighting? Am I fighting? Am I fighting? Excuse me.
Y'all should have been grabbed them phones. That gang see this coming.
Am I fighting y'all? Y'all, please shut up. Listen. Excuse me. Before y'all
All
roughhouse
them damn body cams they got
ask me
on.
a question, because I'm not resisting. Am I? Am I resisting? You said let it go. You am.
Just
Y'all, back up.
Hey, back up.
Go.
Back up. Everybody back up.
I'll talk to you in the squad car.
Wait. Can we talk right here?
You've exceeded your many chances. Try signing up for premium.
Listen, y'all being
I'll
aggressive.
take her.
They've been listening to you for the last 10 damn minutes.
I need to get her out of the way while we deal with our rest of these guys.
Hey, can we talk?
No, get in the car.
Y'all don't like the way I was talking to you? In the car. I will. Get in the car. Okay, I will. Don't do that to me.
Hey, don't touch me, gang.
Don't tell me.
Put you on your shit.
Let my auntie go. Go to my house. Go to my house. Go to my house. Talk to me, bro. Y'all ass weak as hell, bro.
You pound on that door one more time, I'll
It's
pepper
my
spray
hands.
you.
Talk
You
to
pound
me.
on that door
It's
one more
my
time, you're getting
hands.
pepper spray. That's your one
I
warning.
have
Hey, you knock it off here and get
This is your one
I have
chance.
kids at home.
Stop. Do not
Talk
pound
to
on this
me.
door one more time.
That's my hands.
Put your feet in.
Talk to me, please. I have kids at home. Why y'all?
You got kids at home. You doing all the wrong shit. Loud music at night. Drinking. Talking loud at night. Come on, man. Not listening to what the cops actually do at night.
Being so abusive to me.
You got kids in the crib, but you over here kicking on the cops cruising.
You better stop.
This is your last chance. You do that again, you're getting sprayed.
She got pepper spray. That ain't gonna feel good. Damn. And she gotta sit aside of that. What?
Welcome to Pretty Girl Cam.
Oh, hell no. Pretty girl Cam. At least you look pretty in this footage. You look fine as hell in that footage. That pepper spray eating you alive. Look at her. Now you can dance. Oh, man.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
That sucks, yo. Yo, I guess that's it. Yo, like this channel right here. They're the ones provided the video right here. I'm sure they got more videos. I could go back over there and enjoy. Also, like Logic on Steroids. Like this channel. Man, this is crazy. Support this channel if you can. More videos to come. Peace out, y'all. I'm out.